Hi, I'm Eric Terry. I'm head of the Personal Injury Department here at TorHoerman Law. I'm here today to talk a little bit about statute of limitations. Statute of limitations are a state-imposed deadline from which you have to file a lawsuit. Now, these deadlines are different in every state, as well as being different for different types of claims you may have. There could be different statute of limitation timelines for personal injury, which would be like a slip and fall or a motor vehicle accident. If you have a wrongful death caused by the negligence of someone else or due to a flaw in the design of a device, that could have a different statute of limitations, as well as criminal or fraud, contracts. It's very easy to look up on the internet different statute of limitations in each state for different claims you may have. And the importance of this is because once that state-imposed statute of limitations is passed, you no longer have a right to bring a claim for the injuries which you've suffered.
Too late for me.
So when does a statute of limitations begin to run? That's different from each state, and again, and depends on the claim which you're making. The general rule of thumb is the statute of limitations begins to run on the day that you're harmed. An easy case is a motor vehicle accident. That statute of limitations would begin to run on the day that the accident occurred. In Illinois, that date would be 2 years. So you'd have 2 years from the date of your motor vehicle accident to file a case. If you go past that 2 years, the court will dismiss your case as a violation of statute of limitations. Now, there are some states, Illinois is one of them, where you have what's called the discovery rule. That would be in situations where your harm occurs at a later date. That extends the statute of limitations, and your time begins to run from the date that you knew or should have known that the injury occurred. A lot of times this may occur in pharmaceutical cases, where it's not the date you took the product, it's the date that you became aware that the harm occurred. The statute of limitations is an incredibly important component to bringing a lawsuit when you've been injured due to the negligence of others. And because it's such an important thing, it can be a very complicated issue. We recommend that you contact a licensed lawyer to discuss your case and ensure that your rights are still valid. Please feel free to contact myself or any of the lawyers at TorHoerman Law if you'd like to learn a little bit more about statute of limitations, or if you'd like to talk about a potential claim you think you may have.
Legal Learning Moment presented by TorHoerman Law.